Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing this super cute lamb from Squishmallows. And yes, it's this beautiful soft yellowish green because it's here to celebrate spring. And before we draw this, I just wanted to also show you another Squishmallow in this spring series. Right here. Ta-da! So cute, right? It's their bunny. It's this pastel rainbowish color. But what I love about it is this part right here. It's so soft right here and under the ears. I've drawn a bunny before, years ago, I think. So I'm not going to be drawing that this year. Just a lamb today. And but I wanted to show you really quickly. That is the original bunny right there. And of course, beautiful fan art. And if you see your fan art, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so back to the lamb today, right? So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw this cute lamb, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the top of the head. So I'm going to come right here, draw a big curve, and I'm aiming to draw my basic dumpling shape that I always give to all my characters. So a nice big curve at the top, but it's just a little bit stretched and elongated. And I'll bring this down. And keep going. And about right there, I'll start to bring it in. And connect at the bottom with a shallow curve. There, so just your basic Squishmallow shape. And don't worry if it's too, yours is a little bit longer or shorter. You just want this top part to be a little bit more narrow. From there, let's see here. Let's bring it to life. So I'm going to come to the center area and say about right here in the center, I'm going to go ahead and draw a little V for the nose right here in the center. And then from there, I'm going to bring this down with a straight line. And I'm going to curve out on both sides for the mouth. There. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and go to the sides about right here and draw a circle for the eyes. And I'm going to come right across about right here and draw another circle. There. Now that the circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom and same thing over here. Now that we have the eyes in, let's come to the side right here. I'm going to draw some lashes. So I'm just going to pop out 2 lines right here and same thing over here, just on the sides. And then I'm going to come to the top of each eye and just draw a soft curve. And same thing over here. Aww. Just by adding lashes, what a difference, right? Okay, so then from there, we're going to have to draw this big oval around the eye. So I'm going to come, say about right here, the center of this eye, come about right here, give myself a point, and same thing about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw this big oval around it. So come towards my center is my highest point, and then I'm going to bring it down, back to my point. And I'll do the same thing at the bottom. and connect. And now to finally add the ears. So I'm going to come right here in this area where it kind of slants down and pop out a curve that comes out, round it off, and bring it in. And then right here, just add some detail. Say about right here, come up and taper in. So same thing on the other side, right here and here. So curve in and then out, round it off, and bring it in. And the inside. There, finally, hopefully that looks like a lamb. And I'm going to add a heart right here, of course, to make it my jaw, so cute Squishmallow lamb. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this drawing of this cute Squishmallow lamb turned out and that I've inspired you to draw it too to celebrate spring. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.